Friends, I have heard that you have problem with solving questions with like Roman numerals. So today we are going to study about Roman numerals. So let's start. Let's take a pen. So first we are going to understand the 7 main Roman numerals, means numbers. 1 is written like this in a normal way. Then in Roman it's written like I. And then we have 5. So 5 is like this. In Roman it's written as V. Then comes 10. 10 is written as X. Then what comes 15? It is written as L. 100 is written as C. 500 is written as D. And 1000 is written as M. So these are the main numbers in Roman. I, V, 5 means I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So these are the way. So people need these. So we are going to make this column over here. So now we are going to see Roman numerals 1 to 10. So 1 is written like this. 2 is written like this. 3 is written like this. 4 is also like this? No. 4 is written a V and 1. You may ask why we will solve that question afterward. First let's write all the numbers. Then 5 is easy. 5 is here only as V. Then 6 is written as this. 7 as this. 8. First yes, 8. 1 more. And 9, yes, it's written as X, not I, and then 1x. And then 10 is easy, it's x. This is one column. Done. This is the one column. And we have seen one question. See, for this 4, this line is the same, only one is added. 4, then 5, we know. So like this only, it's being continuously in this also, right? But 1 is added. So, for 4, let's write here. Down 4 and 9, little different ways here. Now first we'll look at 4. So for this they thought that it will be too long. So means you can write like this also 4. Like 4 lines like I, like this. And you can write like this. V and 1 I. But if you write like this, they may think it's wrong. Or you may not get some points for it. Draw a star for a point. Okay, you will not get these things. And if you do like that, it is correct and you may get points. So like this one is right if you write in exams. 9. So why we write 4? Why do we write 4 like this only? Why don't we? This makes a longer space, or that we can say. And this number, what it means? See, we know 5. It's written as V. So first let's take this number here. This is 5. And whatever number we put this side here we need to add it. Now in the 6th place is 6, yes, we have written 1. That makes it 6. And if we put 1 here if we put means subtract. So we have, that means we need to subtract 1 from 5 equals 4. So that's it. If we put one number here, it will mean subtract. And if we put one number here, it means add. So like this only method we have done is 7 and 8. Means we have put 3 more to 5 and 2 more to 5 to make 7 and 8. Okay. Now 9. Why is 9 written? So it's like the same. I don't need to explain, but still I will explain. 10 is there. So when we put here, it makes 9 because we are subtracting from 1 from 10. So it is like this. Now we will take some more numbers for explanation. And we'll take tricky numbers. Let's take 40. It's right here on the top. 40. So it will not be like, we know 10. 10 is written like this 10. So more 10 and more 10. It's 13. This makes 13. So 13 you can do like this. But when you do 14, you need to take 15L, this here, and 1x equals 10. That means we need to subtract. Subtract 15 from 10 equals 14. Let's take one more number. Let's take 16. That's also tricky. This is also or tricky. Just L and X 16. So see, I put this number for explanation. L is here means subtract. Here we have add. This is a sum of subtract and this is a sum of add. Like this also you can see. And see, here X is coming here, here I, like opposite there. Like how we draw an X up and down. Let's take one more number, 19. Because 19 is also like 14 only. 90. So we have 100. We know 100 is C. So it's just easy. You get it. Yes, we need to write C and then a 10 equals we need to 100. Means subtract. Means what to say? 100 is that we need to subtract 10, 19. Like this. This is also a number. And more like subtraction things are with 14 and 9 means 9 and 4 because that is the bigger number we are adding and then making 11. Now let's take some four more numbers. Let's take 32. The 32 and what's it? So write X 30 and 2 and done. So now let's do, and you know in division, so it's in Roman numerals means addition is the easiest. Let's take some number. Let's take 13. 13 and 27. We need to add them. Okay. So now what we do? We need to convert these numbers into Roman. So 13 will be X and 3 and 27 will be 7. So we need to write 2, 3 and X. It's just easy to add like this, but this is like a normal way and this is another way. Now how much ones we have? We have 5 ones. So we will write 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1B. 1B will come down. We have 3X remaining. And with this writing 5, 5, 5, we can just write here, cut this 5 here. And this with we add this 5, 5 equals we get X. Let's write the total number here. X. This is our answer. So this here will be X, and an X. And here what will be? It will be, let's solve it out with 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. 1 here, 4, 3. Done. These are Roman answer. Let's write R. And this is our normal N. Normal. Done. So this is it. And you may say now, we have tried 14 here like this and here addition, then why it comes X. Because addition like this have come, so we need to write like this one here there. So now we have learned about Roman numerals. Now let's see, revise it. So there are 7 main numbers, 1 for I, 5 for V, 10 for X, 15 for L, 100 for C and 500 for D. Let's do 500 number because we have not did 500 and 300 number. Let's take 600. Let's take easier. 600. So this is easy, you'll say. Let's D and C. Done. Let's take one more. 16. 532. Let's take 500 is D. 530. We have make a lot more space. 500 is D's. So 3 will be what means 10. 10. Okay, let's go down. And 2. This is the number. It's long. Let's write here. X, and 2. This is a number converting it. So it means what to say. Roman numerals are very easy to write. You just need to understand these numbers and this tens one also. So anything is like you can do anything with them. You understand this method, you understand the whole Roman numerals. Now you have revised it. Again revise, pause the video and revise it. And you have the homework. You need to solve sums like this. Addition with the Roman numerals, converting them. And here's one more homework for you. You need to like the video, subscribe my channel and do this 2 homework which I have given to you. Now meet you in the next video. Bye bye.